Hey guys, welcome back to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the August 2023 Potomac Beach Treasure subscription. So stay tuned, you're going to want to see what all's in here. Alright, so here we go on this unboxing. So first up, so this, oops, I wasn't even going to show you. So this box is called Gilded Glamour. Okay, and this is the treasure subscription. It says, step into a realm of gilded glamour where opulence meets sophistication. This enchanting collection showcases a harmonious blend of rich scarlet hues, lustrous silver accents, and touches of gilded luxury, inviting you to create pieces of timeless beauty. And then this is the listing here of everything that is in this box. So this month we did not get any tools, so this is all just beads. So let me show you what all we got here. Alright, so up first we have these curved tube beads. Let me show you here. So, oh, there we go. So we have these nice curved tube beads. Okay, and they're 99% pure silver plated. Okay, they are 10 by 2 millimeter. So that's the first thing. Up next we have a Clasp Garden Clasp Ridge 1 crystal is what it says. Clasp Garden Clasp. So that is what this looks like here. So this is just one of these kind of things where you pinch the sides and pull it out like that, and then you slide it out like that. So that is what this is. So there's one side, and then the other side has a little, kind of like a bow design, and it does have a little tiny crystal in the center there. It's hard to see it in this lighting, but it does look like it is in there. Alright, so there's the clasp. And then up next we have Czech paisley disc in metallic vitriol. So these are nice pretty color. Check those out. Very pretty. So it looks like they're like the gold on one side and then the pretty purple on the other side. So those are fun. We get about 8 of those. Okay, then up next are Czech glass 3mm rounds. So nice little strand of those. They're in light topaz. So there are those. Nice little sparkle on them. Like I said, these are 3mm, so they're pretty small. Okay. Then up next we have, it says a lobster figure 8 clasp. It's 19mm and it's premium 24 karat gold plating. So 19mm is pretty big. So it is quite a large, but you can see how it has the figure 8 on there. And then it has the little clasp. So that is quite large. It doesn't come with the loop. That was all that was in the bag. It was just the one thing. So let's see what I have to put that to loop into. It's pretty big. Up next are these 4 pieces of devoted hearts in crystal AB. So they are very pretty. Look at the coloring on those. So it says, catch eyes with Potomac crystal devoted hearts. These are really cute. I actually made a pair of earrings out of some of these that I had in pink before that I really like the way they turned out. So now these are more of like a yellow kind of color. The AB kind of finish on there. So those are pretty. I really like those hearts. And we got 4 of them. I'm probably just going to make earrings out of them because I really love those on earrings. Up next we have jet matted geometric design 1 strand. It's actually a pretty good size strand. So these have a nice little design on them. They have like this matte squares on them. And then the rest of it's shiny. Little hexagons. Those are pretty cool. There's a little geometric shape on there. Something different. Alright, and they're pretty big too. They are, does it say how big they are anywhere? I don't see, it doesn't say, but they are some pretty big beads. So, alright, so up next we have, these are kind of similar to what we had in the box from last month. These are dark garnet AB 3x4mm rondelles. Oops. They have a nice sparkle on them. Look at that. So shiny. Oops, I'm dropping them. These are in dark garnet, so you can see they're kind of like this nice deep red color. That nice sparkle on there. Alright, and then up next we have Potomac pearls in cranberry 6mm, an 8-inch strand. These are a nice pretty color. Check those out. That's nice. So I wonder if this is also an 8-inch strand. Yep, that's pretty much also an 8-inch strand. So 2 8-inch strands there. These are really pretty color. I really like those. Okay. Up next we have Potomac Crystal Disco Balls Crystal Labrador Silver 6mm. It says there's 96 facets is what it says on the little bag here. Look. 96 facets. So look how sparkly those are. They have even more sparkle. They are really faceted. There's a lot of faceting going on right there. Alright, so then up next we have Poppy Jasper Rounds 4mm beads. Now these I really like. These are some nice gemstone beads. Oops. Hold on. Let me get them all out of the bag here. There we go. There we go. These are Poppy Jasper beads. So you can see there's some nice color variation in there. Got white ones, and brown ones, and tan ones. Some that are kind of a gray color. So lots of different colors in there. Okay. And then we got another strand here. Czech glass 3mm rounds. Crystal Maria? M-A-R-E-A. Maria. I'm guessing that's the color. So these are fun little colors. It's got some brown on there, some gray. So those are nice. Alright, so apparently I lost some of my video in there. So I think it left off at these gold seed beads, which are in 11 O's. And then after that were these 4mm Czech faceted rounds in this gold color. And then we have these red saucer rondelle beads. So there's nice little flat beads. And plenty of those. Then we have these Czech glass nugget beads, which I really like the colors on these. Nice color variations. And then last but not least are these Czech bicones. And these are like a nice gray color. Well, they're called black diamond, actually. So there are those. Alright, so hopefully I didn't cut out anything because my battery's about to die and I was just trying to hurry up and get this done. I thought it was plugged in, but apparently it wasn't. So, yeah, so this is everything from the August 2023 box, and I'm going to go ahead and make up a whole bunch of jewelry out of this stuff, and then I will come back and do a finished jewelry video. So let me know what was your favorite piece out of this box. Mine is definitely the Poppy Jasper beads. They are very pretty, and I can't wait to show you everything I made at the end of, once I'm done making it. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.